step-by-step process on how to install ChatGPT app on your Android. So you open the Play Store, then you go to search, type ChatGPT. You can see it's through here. You click on it, click on install. Then you can slide through up to take a look at the pictures of it and what it looks like. You can also read the data safety and some other information that contains the app, like learning opportunities, you have creative inspiration, you have optional input, you have tailored advice, you have instant answers. So ChatGPT gives you everything. So while we are doing that, it's done installing, you click on open. So while it's open, it tells let's create, let's brainstorm, let's go. So you can click on your Gmail. I'm signing in with my Gmail account, so it's gonna go through the authentication process. I'll select my Gmail account, it picks it up. I have been using it already on a PC before on Android, so I just want to try it. So it tells you welcome. You have to click on continue to use it. So it's now ready. So if I click on this menu icon, it reattaches by the left side. There you have your dashboard, your new chart, your history settings. So you click on history. Here you see the history of all the searches I've been searching on my PC. So guys, I'm going to go back now to show you how easy to generate a text for this video. We just did. So I need to generate a title, create a text for a YouTube video, and it generates a prompt. The prompt is a reply which we use. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thank you.